Hi, I'm Nathan from Rubi UK, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the DRYGRES drill bits. They are for dry cutting of porcelain, natural stone and other stoneware. They're high-speed drill bits with a working speed of 14,000 revs per minute with an M14 thread to attach directly to a grinder. They're available from 6mm all the way up to 75mm, and they're also available in various different kit sizes. Firstly, we're going to look at the mini DRYGRES kit. If we look a little bit more closely at the mini DRYGRES kit, it comes with a 6mm, 8mm, 10mm and 12mm diameter. It also comes with a drill adapter, but best use is still in a grinder. The drill bits are wax filled to help with the lubrication and the cooling of the drill bit. It also acts as a little bit of a dust suppressor, so as you're drilling, the dust doesn't go airborne. We are going to show you how with a 6mm bit in a grinder on a wall. And now we can look in the kit DRYGRES. This DRYGRES kit comes with the 28mm, the 35mm, 43mm and the 68mm. Also comes with the multi-guide. We do a variety of other kits with various different size drill bits. On these particular drill bits, you will notice that they're completely hollow and we have cooling vents in the side. This, combined with the high speed that they operate at, helps to cool the drill bits. Thanks for watching. That was our DRYGRES drill bits. Any questions, please contact us on social media, or you can get any information on our website, www.rubi.com. Thanks.